Cynthia was here today. Oh.
Really?
She said she heard I'm not feeling fine. She brought food for me.
Oh, nice girl.
But guess what?
What?
Disaster. As in, she brought this pepper soup. Pepper soup, eh? She brought me like one full fish. She didn't cut it all. And then she now came. She was really nice though. She served it, gave me the head. As in, if you look inside the head of that fish, dirty inside it. Hey, Jesus. With all the dirt and everything, all the yamayama inside the head. Think of the fact that it wasn't even tasted. I was just smelling like the hot ass of the fish coming out from it. There wasn't enough spices. She was even saying it was sweet. And I told her now. Me? Tell her. No, she doesn't take correction. Yeah, but she's really nice. And she thinks that her cooking is the best in the world. My sister, and when I was eating it, I even thought maybe she was looking for where to throw it. Then she now brought it to me. As in, it was so early in the morning, there was nothing else to suspect. I couldn't wait for her to leave though. But as soon as she did, I poured it inside this brown paper bag. Now what for you? This brown bag, that's unfair. I beg, see better food, Joe. I made creamy pasta. Me, I love creamy pasta. Pasta a la creme fraiche. It has mushrooms and sausages and a lot of cream. You put everything. I love it. Just bring it, bring it, bring it. I can even give you extra cheese if you want. I better bring it fast. I can't wait, Joe. Don't drink water, finish. Wow, it looks so good. I can't wait to start eating. There's the extra cheese, oh.
Funke! No GCSE, no A level. You will end up in McDonald's. I'm coming back. No GCSE, no A level. You will end up in McDonald's. Jesus! When you want to use your life for out. You will move out. You will move out of this house. You are going to Nigeria first class tomorrow. I will get a first class ticket taking you to Nigeria.
I don't understand. Why are you doing your face like that? Is it not sweet?
Apostle will hear of this.
It's sweet now. Let me taste it. This thing that I cooked, me. I beg, this thing is very sweet. You don't know better food. This thing that is like this, so.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
No, it's very sweet, too. Please, can you just pass me the brown bag? Ma? Please just pass me the brown bag. What? Just a drink water.
I hear me, Temi, Bami. She's what?
The water is nice.
Soon after.